Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop and prevent any static damage to the components. Begin by powering off your HP OMEN 15 CE016NS and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible to avoid any electrical issues during the repair process. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them organized as you will need them to reassemble the laptop later. There are usually around 10 screws, so make sure to check all corners and the center of the back panel. Once all screws are removed, take the plastic spudger and gently pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to avoid damaging the clips. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of the laptop, including the cooling fans. Locate the fans, which are usually situated near the CPU and GPU. Take a moment to clean any dust and debris around the fans using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal cooling performance. Now, identify the screws holding the fans in place. Typically, there will be 2 screws for each fan. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and carefully disconnect the fan cables from the motherboard. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Don't hesitate to reach out for help. After removing the fans, it's time to install the new ones. Take your compatible replacement fans and position them where the old ones were. Connect the fan cables to the motherboard, ensuring they are secure. Then, reinsert the screws to fasten the fans in place. Before closing up the laptop, it's advisable to test the new fans. Reconnect the battery and power on the laptop. Listen for the fans to ensure they are operating correctly. If you hear any unusual noises, it may indicate an issue with the installation. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with this process, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of traveling or making calls. We can even give you a quote before any repair is done, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once you've confirmed that the new fans are working properly, power down the laptop again and replace the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring each one is tightened securely. This will prevent any rattling or loose parts during operation. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the fans in your HP OMEN 15 CE016NS. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and fan replacements, can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and longevity. If you need further assistance or wish to have a professional handle it, don't forget that we are just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.